Here's how Gary Vee made over $100 million with VeeFriends. The VeeFriends ecosystem includes NFTs, characters, action figures, trading cards, and more. But for this video, we'll focus on the Series 1 and 2 NFT sales and royalties. VeeFriends Series 1 launched May 2021 with 10,255 NFTs. The mint used a Dutch-style auction format, with prices ranging from 0.5 to 1 ETH. Assuming just an average of 0.5 ETH, that's roughly 5,125 ETH from the initial mint. On OpenSea alone, the trading volume has surpassed 70,000 ETH, and with their 10% royalty, that's about 7,000 ETH in royalties. VeeFriends Series 2 launched on April 2022 with around 55,555 items. Sales from the mint brought in about 18,610 ETH. On the secondary OpenSea market alone, there's been over 34,000 ETH in volume, earning Gary Vee an estimated 2,227 ETH based on the 6.55% royalty rate. Altogether, the ETH earned from both series is approximately 32,964 ETH, which at an ETH price near $3,500, that equals over $115 million. Remember, this estimate only includes the OpenSea royalties. It doesn't factor in earnings from other NFT marketplaces or any other part of the VeeFriends business. Of course, there are expenses, artists, developers, merch, events, and major collaborations with brands like Reebok and Topps. But the NFT revenue alone likely helped fund much of the brand's growth. It's impressive how big VeeFriends has become so quickly. Like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching.